Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to put your ACER Chromebook Spin 713 on a lock screen. So the default way to put your device on a lock screen is navigating to this control center in the bottom right corner of your screen, clicking on it, then expanding power options and selecting lock. This will immediately put your device on a lock screen. The alternative to it is short pressing the lock button that is located right here in the top right corner of your keyboard. After that, your device will also go on a lock screen. And the last way to do that is by short pressing the power button that is located right here on the right edge. And then here you're going to have to select lock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.